Introduction to cable ties and clips. In aerospace, our products are mainly used in end-use applications, usually within internal components like consoles and components not normally visible to the passenger. Examples include clips and standard cable ties. In automotive, products such as standard cable ties and push-mount clips can be seen within end-use and internal workings of automotive components. In electronics, our standard cable ties can be seen in end-use applications, securing and organizing wires or cables together. In pneumatics and hydraulics, our UV-resistant cable ties and stainless steel cable ties are usually seen in end-use applications for bundling wires or cables. For sign holders, clips and standard cable ties are typically for end use, holding components of the sign in place. In security, cable ties are commonly used to provide tight wrapping of cables and wires with ties in end-use application.